Hello everyone. So this is the Codeforces round 656 division 3 problem 2. Problem name is a good string. So in this problem we are given a string of length n and n is given to be a power of 2. So the string s is called C good if at least one of these three conditions follow. So the length of s is 1 and it consists of the character C. So if the string consists of only the character C and its length is 1, then it is C good. Otherwise, if length of S string S is greater than 1, then the first half of the string should contain the letter C and the remaining string should be C plus 1 good string. Or otherwise, if the length of S is greater than 1, then the other case arises that the remaining part, that is the last half, is consisting of all the characters are C, and the first half is a C plus 1 good string. We have to find a good string in this question. So what we are doing is replacing C good string by a good string. It is nothing, just replacing the character C by A. So what are A good strings? Let us see an example. So suppose we are given this string S is AABC. So it is A good. And this string FFGH and 4 times E is E good. How? I'll explain you. Suppose this string S is AABC. So it is why it is A good. So it is A good because the first half, that n is 4, so n by 2 will be 2. So the first half consists of only the letters A and the remaining half should be a B good string. So the remaining half is BC. This should be a plus 1 good string because in the question it was given the remaining half should be a C plus 1 good string. So this string should be a plus 1 good string and a plus 1 will be equal to b. So this string should be a b good string. This will be a b good string because the first half is consisting of only the character b and the remaining half should be a c good string. How? C good string will, because it should be a b plus 1 good string, because this string should be a b good string, so the remaining half should be a b plus 1 good string. So, and this remaining half will be a C good string because length is 1. When length is 1, that is the base case. So, if length is 1, if the only character in that is the given character which we are looking, that's a C good string. So, if that matches, it is a good string. I hope you have understood this. Similarly, let's look for the other example. So if the string is F F G H E E E E, so it will be a E good because the second half consists of E and this should be an E plus, and this string should be an E plus 1 good string and E plus 1 is F. So now the question simplifies to this string should be a F good string, and this will be a F good string because this first half consists of letters F and the remaining string should be a F plus 1 good string which is G. So this is a G good string because this letter consists of G first half, and the remaining string, that is H, should be a G plus 1 good string, and G plus 1 is equal to H, so this is a H good string. So the original string will be a E good string. So the input format is we will be given t independent test cases and we have to check like this that whether it is a good string or not. The input format is we will be given an integer t which denotes the total number of test cases, and then we will be given an integer n that denotes the length of the string, and after that in the second line we will be given the string s. So for each test case we will be given two lines n and s, and we have to output the minimum number of moves required to obtain an a good string from s. And in one, what are the moves? What are the moves? So the moves are, in one move you can replace the character s of I with some given character of your choice. And in one move you can replace only one character of the string s. So, and so if you need to replace many multiple characters, they will be considered in different moves. So we have to minimize the number of moves to obtain an a good string from s. So this is the input. I have made this the main function, and I have declared a variable t, the test cases, and taken the input and run a while loop, integer n, the length of the string c in n, and then I have declared a variable string and taken the string as input, and I have declared a recursive function solve, and this will give my answer. So what this solve function takes is, solve will take the string s, the character a, or the, in general we'll pass the character recursively, because we need to find, suppose we need to find a good string, b good string, c good string, or any alphabet good string. So we have generalized it, whatever variable is passed, that good string we have to find. Suppose in firstly we have, initially we'll pass the character ch as a, because we have to find a good string, and I have passed the starting index and the ending index of the string, and initially starting is 0 and ending is n minus 1. So this function will recursively solve the subproblems. Do replace count right number of characters in the right part and solve on the left string for ch plus 1 word string. See, this is the left string. Starting index is start and ending index is mid. And this is the right string, because right half, because it is starting from mid plus 1 and ending at end. So every time we need to take the minimum of these two cases. This is a now recursive function. It will because call a sub problem because the length of the string is reduced, right?